Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, and we are standing on board a 2024 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. It's actually pretty cool for me because this is the very first time we've had one of these in the marina we can sell. And what's cool is we got the opportunity to build this, kind of build it the way we wanted to. So I'm going to point out a couple of items, guys, and I'm going to point out why. And then give us a call after this if you want to see it. And then I'll talk to you a little bit more through everything this boat has. So let's start right in. At the back, power pole. We are known on the West Coast for shallow water. This is a 10-foot blade from power pole. It'll give you about 9 foot of reach, 8.5 foot of reach underneath the boat. It works awesome. 250 V8, top power for this boat, guys. 22-foot boat, 250 horsepower V8. This thing flies. I love it. Totally flat back deck. I was walking on this before the video started. These seats are awesome. They pop up out of the deck, but guys, it's so solid. You can spend a ton of time fishing right here, and all your rods are right at your fingertips. And I want to point out something quick on top. For the families, multi-purpose boat, it's got a ski tow bar here. And your live well will happily double as both a cooler and a live well. Guys, it's super expansive. It uses tons of the space underneath the seat. So even though the door's not huge, the live well is absolutely monstrous. This, the top part, this seat is called the tournament leaning post from Boston Whaler. We love it. It's comfortable. It's really wide, dual bolsters. You guys can do what you want with them, armrest. It is a crusher seat. And you might wonder, okay, you pointed at that hardtop, I see canvas. That's right. The soft tops on these boats actually have more area than the hard tops, and so I like this. My boat has one. Why? Shade coverage. Guys, look at the color of my skin. We're in South Florida. Amazing dash here. And I have to point out, if you can get your phone to stay there, active charging. There's just magnetic charging in the dash. Such a cool thing. But here's really the huge update on this boat. All the old Dauntlesses, the smaller ones, had just a seat here. Guys, this is totally legit. Now, I'm 6 foot tall, and my feet are just on the edge of this. You've got armrests, and it's a Whaler. This is actually a comfortable spot to ride on this boat. Guys, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax in Sarasota. And if you want to check out one of the coolest hybrid boats on the market, it's a 22 Dauntless. Talk soon.